Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the DRL on an Acura MDX. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and cool to the touch before beginning. You'll find the daytime running light assembly easily accessible within the engine bay, usually near the headlights. This simple process can be done at home with basic equipment. Next, you'll need to gain access to the bulb. This might involve removing a small plastic cover or splash shield, often held by a few clips. Once you have clear access, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old DRL bulb. Then, gently twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components during this step. Now it's time to install your new DRL bulb. Hold the new bulb by its base, avoiding touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the socket, then twist it clockwise until it's securely locked. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to ensure a proper connection. You're almost done with this straightforward replacement. To complete the process, turn on your vehicle and verify that the new daytime running lights are functioning correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reinstall any plastic covers or splash shields you removed earlier, ensuring all clips are secure. Remember to dispose of the old bulb responsibly, following your local environmental guidelines. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your DRL bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.